Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today, guys, we're going to look at a tapping arm that is made for a hand drill. Now, this is an awesome little system that is extremely well made, by the way. You would look at it and think it's cheap, maybe light. It's not light at all. It is a machined aluminum, has a 5-inch movement here with a clamp on the side, so I can do vertical drilling or tapping without trying to fight. If you've ever tried to tap something out with a hand drill, it's really easy to get those threads crossed. It's really easy to break off your actual bit in the actual piece that you're trying to drill out. It's just not real easy. You can try to use a big stand-up drill press, but it doesn't work very well. It's very cumbersome. This allows a lot of versatility. I can carry this out to a job site. I can not only do vertical, I can even mount this sideways, and I can mount from the side as well, or tap from the side as well. And speaking of that, by the way, is I found that this thing not only does well with tapping, it even works pretty well with drilling. If I'm drilling out a really delicate piece of wood or something and I need an opening or a hole, it works there just as well. But it's really designed for, working on the aluminum extrusion type metal. It's the stuff that you're going to build camera slides and printer slides, all types of custom workbenches. You'll buy the aluminum. We're going to actually use just an aluminum strip today just to see how well it actually works. I'm going to tie it down here on my bench dog system, and we're going to see if it'll actually tap it out, like they claim that it does. Now, this works really good on the 20-20, 40-40, or the 80-20. Now, this bit that I've got in is actually going to be my drill bit and tapper all combined into one. It works just as well if you're going to drill it out and then tap. And you simply will put this in and lock it and use your key to lock everything down. We're going to take and clamp it on. I'm going to move this back just a little. You can see what I'm doing here. Let's bring that back just enough to clear my 3/4 wood here. There we go. It does have a little shock absorber in here that helps this for the movement, so that we want to shoot for that mark. And we are going to use our bench dog system and lock it down. So we know if I want it right there, I'm going to have to lock everything in. So I'm going to lock it like that. Move this out of the way. You probably can't see what's going on. Get that there, lock it down. And we're going to take another one. We'll go from this side and lock it. There we go. Pretty much right there. And what I've done is I've tried to make sure that it is right in the middle of one of my holes so I don't have to drill a hole through my top. Okay, so I'm simply going to take my DeWalt drill, back it off, and put it on the top. There we go. Now this will move forward, back, and it will tilt down. So I can get it right on the X. So I'm going to set this here for a second. Before we drill, we're going to go ahead and put just a little bit of cutting oil on. I'll just use those little simple 3-in-1. Just helps everything cut better. We're going to bring it back over, put it right in the middle, and start drilling. Now remember, you want to go slow, not fast. And you don't want to push. You want to let the tool do the work. All right, so now we are at our threads. Put a little bit of oil around it, and here's where you definitely want to slow down. And I will go up and down a couple of times to make sure that I clean out the thread spots. There we go. We did a 5/16 inch hole and we did the 18. So Let's try this and see if it actually worked correctly. And that is perfect. Just exactly what we wanted. So there you go, guys. That worked extremely well. Let me pull this off so that you can get a closer look. Just move that out of my way. And a little bit more right there. So you can see how well that actually works. Threads are great, does not bind at all. It is actually perfect. And like I said, if I'm using just a hand drill, it's easy to get that out of whack and the threads just don't work right. This held it in exact precision. Matter of fact, it's way better than I would have ever really expected. The mechanical arm on it is great and it holds it directly in the spot. All right, guys, I think it's a fantastic system. I think it works extremely well and it is extremely versatile. I don't think you're going to go wrong picking this up. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. We'll see you guys on the next review.